Is it time to buy or sell Richtech Robotics stock? In this video, we will explore Richtech Robotics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of December, 2024, our system has identified Richtech Robotics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Investors who followed our analysis have likely reaped a remarkable gain of 201.6% since we first categorized Richtech Robotics as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This achievement equates to an average return of 5.31% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 207.74% over the next 3 months. This could result in returns ranging from 207.74% to 537.39%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 0.54% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 84.18% and 70.81%. This would correspond to a price range of 38.3 cents to $4.13 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Richtech Robotics includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Richtech Robotics Inc. Stock Price on Thursday, moving between $2.35 and $2.62. The Richtech Robotics Inc. stock price experienced a decline of 5.84% on the last day, Thursday, January 30th, 2025, dropping from $2.57 to $2.42. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 11.43%, with a low of $2.35 and a high of $2.62. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total drop of 15.68% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 12 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $28,380,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.83, while the lowest price reached 30 cents. Currently, the price is 49.90%, or $2.41, below the 52-week high, and 80.31%, or $9.87, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2024, when the price reached $12.29. Recharge Resources Limited has announced a consolidation of its common shares, converting 2 pre-consolidated shares into 1 post-consolidated share. This strategy often aims to increase the value of stock by reducing the number of shares outstanding, potentially making the shares more attractive to investors. In the short term, this could drive a positive market reaction as investors absorb the news, but long-term implications depend on the company's performance after the consolidation. Meanwhile, Rolls-Royce has seen a remarkable surge in its stock price, soaring close to 1,500% from its 2021 lows, boosted by a recovering civil aviation sector. After reaching record highs recently, the stock remains one of the best performers in the FTSE 100 index. However, concerns about potential reversals loom as the stock experienced a pullback following earnings reports and market volatility. Short-term fluctuations could offer buying opportunities, while the long-term trajectory hinges on continued recovery in civil aviation and the company's strategic moves. Investors should closely monitor these developments for indications of ongoing performance and market sentiment, as both companies could significantly influence their stock prices in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022, it was reported that JP Morgan assigned RR an underweight grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Richtech Robotics stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Richtech Robotics. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 41.12%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have emerged as well, which may influence the near short-term development. The Richtech Robotics Inc. stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal exists for the stock, providing a positive outlook. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $2.94. Should the stock decline, it will find some support from the long-term average at roughly $2.40. A breakthrough above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 41 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Richtech Robotics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.12 and $1.96. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Richtech Robotics Inc. finds support just below today's level at $2.12. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.96 and $1.95. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 269 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which translates to 11.43%. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.62%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Richtech Robotics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Richtech Robotics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Richtech Robotics is at $2.60. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Richtech Robotics has its first support level at $2.12. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Richtech Robotics from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 8th of August, 2024, when King Bliss Limited conducted an insider sale of 2,200,000 shares of Class B common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.29, reflecting a decline of 5.2%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 16 days ago. Is Richtech Robotics stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are showing negative trends, which we believe will impact the company's development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we perceive that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will rise during or by the conclusion of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 31st of January, we expect Richtech Robotics to open at approximately 4.38 cents and begin trading at $2.46. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.